Getting inventory costing wrong in QuickBooks Online will kill your profit reports and make you pay more tax than you should. In the next 6 minutes, I will explain FIFO versus average cost in QuickBooks Online 2026 step by step. Stay until the end because choosing the wrong method can cost your business thousands of dollars every year. Step 1. What is FIFO? FIFO means first in, first out. QuickBooks sells your oldest inventory first. Example from the screen: USB cables. You bought 100 units at $2.50 on May 10th. Then you bought more at $2.70 on June 5, then at $2.90 on June 10th. If you sell 90 units, QuickBooks uses the $2.50 cost first. FIFO uses earliest purchases first. It reflects current market prices. It is better when prices are rising. Your cost of goods sold will be higher, and your profit will look lower. But you pay less tax. Step 2. What is average cost? Average cost is also called weighted average. QuickBooks takes all purchase prices and makes one average price. Look at the screen: average cost per unit is $2.60. So every sale uses $2.60, no matter when you bought the stock. Average cost smooths out price fluctuations. It is easier for reporting. It is good for stable pricing. Your cost of goods sold is steady every month. Your profit looks more consistent. But if prices are rising fast, your tax bill might be higher. Step 3. Where to set this in QuickBooks? Go to Settings, then Account and Settings. Click Sales. Scroll to Products and Services. Find Inventory Valuation Method. Click the drop-down. Choose FIFO or average cost. Warning: you cannot change this easily later if you already tracked inventory. QuickBooks will recalculate everything and it can mess up past reports. Pick the right method from day 1. Step 4. Which one should you choose? Choose FIFO if you sell products with expiration dates, like food or medicine. Choose FIFO if material prices keep rising every month. Choose average cost if you sell identical products like nails, screws, or USB cables where one unit looks the same as the next. Choose average cost if you want simple reports and stable profit margins. Final warning: accurate costing means accurate decisions. If QuickBooks shows wrong inventory value, you will make wrong pricing decisions. You will think you are making profit when you are actually losing money. Set FIFO or average cost correctly today, and you will get accurate costing, better decisions, and higher profits for your US business. Understand the difference. Value inventory right. Grow your business.